Good morning, my dear students of class 8. I welcome you all to this new class of social science where we are meeting after our half yearly or subjective online examinations. Now, children, there are two important things which I need to discuss. Number one is discussion of the question paper, which we will be doing in the live class. And number two, I am going to announce the first project work that is for term 1 for social science. Right? Now, please note down it on a piece of paper, whereas I will mention it in the classroom also, Google Classroom also. So, children, for this, you have to do nothing, just very simple steps. Take 2 punch sheets. One will be your cover page, like you have been making for other projects last year. So one cover page where you will mention name, class, section, roll number, and term 1 social science project. Term 1 social science project. That punch sheet is done. Now take second punch sheet where you will be pasting a map of India, physical map of India, even political will be fine, where you need to mention those 5 tribal places of India which we have done in tribals and depots. So those same only, Bhotia, Naga, one Gujjar and all, Mala, hai na? So all these 5 tribes which I will encircle with red, you have to mark only those, because soon you will be called to school for submission of all your written work. Children, we focus on the written work, and now class 10th has submitted, class 11th has submitted, class 12th has submitted, today class 9 came to submit. So children, it's your turn now. Soon you will be called to submit all your written work. So start completing your work, and you have to submit it on the day you are called. Right? So I hope the first term project work is clear to everyone, wherein the details I will mention in the Google Classroom also. So now let us start with the new chapter, which is Women, Caste and Reform the Nation. So it is chapter number 9 in your history books. Those who have old, because new books have edited version where chapters are less in number. So we are going to start with Women, Caste and Reform the Nation. As the name indicates, Women, Caste, the chapter keeps on revolving around women and their status, children. Right? So what we are going to see in this chapter, I will just give you the introduction to this chapter, that around 200 years ago, children, the lives of women was very, very different from today's time. There was so many restrictions imposed on women. You see women of today's world, they are free, they are independent, and they are working, they are more confident. Women empowerment we are seeing, but time was not same like this. So 200 years ago, children, the situation of women was completely different. Now, children, widows, for example, how situations were different. For example, widows. Children, widows were praised and called satis, meaning if they chose to be burning themselves on the funeral pyres of the husband. We all know what is sati system, when a woman is not having her husband anymore, then on the same pyre, means the funeral where that cremation ceremony takes place, where the husband's body is being burned, on the same fire, the woman sacrifices her life. Alright, children? So this is sati system. Now, children, you think and ask this question to your own selves. Is this right? Are we supposed to take somebody's life, children? No. We don't have any right to take somebody's life. It is only the God. It is a blessing. Life is a blessing given by God, no? So, these social injustice, these, social basically the social injustice being done to the women were not right. So the situation of women was completely different, children. Now people were also divided along the lines of the Brahmins, Kshatriyas, If you are watching these television these days, have you seen Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's life history, which is being displayed on TV? So you will get to see at simple step, these people were being facing new challenges based on their social caste. So children, people were being divided and discriminated on the basis of their caste. So caste system was also curse for society, all right. And then they were considered themselves in upper caste. After them, traders, Brahmins, Kshatriyas. Brahmins are the priests, those pandits, the Brahmins. Then children, Kshatriyas, the warriors. And then traders, money lenders, and referred to as Vaishyas. And the lower caste, which refers to Shudras, including peasants, artisans, workers. Okay. So the attitude towards women and social customs started changing from the early 19th century. Now children, when we are saying that time was not the same like this time, that means time has changed from previous and ancient time. How did it change? Who brought these changes? So this we are going to study in the chapter further. But for today's class, only this much. Children, this is a humble request to everybody to please log into Google Classroom and please start attending the classes and listen to the explanations to what the teachers are giving. So children, please do not forget to complete this assignment work. Thank you so much children. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.